A 100-day journey para tulungan kang i-reset yung katawan mo. I-rewire yung mindset mo at kung consistent ka, pwede ka pang manalo ng 100,000 peso cash. Now, baka iniisip mo,
Coach, beginner lang ako.
perfect kasi this program is designed for beginners. Step by step tayo.
Coach Delaria po, panggers lang ba yan?
Hindi, this challenge is for both men and women. May versions ng workout para sa fitness levels and goals.
Coach, wala na ako sa 20s, baka huli na yan para sa akin.
Kahit 30s, 40s, or 50s ka, basta may cellphone at internet, you can do this.
Coach, busy ako sa work.
Sakto kasi yung workouts is 15 to 20 minutes lang a day. No gym required at walang complicated na routines. Kaya sure ako na kaya mong gawin kahit nasa bahay, kahit lunch break, at kahit bago matulog.
Coach, ayoko sa gym.
Good news kasi hindi natin kailangan ng gym. Lahat ng routine ay may home workout versions. Ang kailangan mo lang ay space, cellphone, at willingness. Kaya kahit water bottles lang yung gamit mo sa weights, okay na yan. Now, kung nag-aalala ka na baka hindi mo kayanin, relax. Hindi mo kailangan ng gym membership at hindi mo rin kailangan ng mamahaling equipments. May mga simple meal plans at workouts na pwede mong gawin kahit sa bahay. At kung gusto mong tulungan yung katawan mo sa cravings at energy, we have a challenge-approved supplement na kasama, Shake and Slim. A premium supplement drink na pampabusog, pampasigla at pampaganda ng skin. Parang cheat code sa weight loss, masarap na, effective pa.